In today's fast-paced world, finding tranquility can often feel like chasing a mirage, right? Enter ProNervium, guys, a groundbreaking supplement designed to help embrace serenity and mental clarity along the chaos of daily lives, okay? So the ProNervium is a meticulously crafted supplement that merges the wisdom of ancient herbal remedies with cutting-edge nutritional science. So I'm here to tell you everything you need to know about it, guys, but it was advanced and left to the link for the official website just below. But I recommend you guys to stay with me until the end because some alerts that I have to share with you are available only here on this video, right? So it's sleek packaging hints of the sophisticated blend of ingredients within. Each capsule is a promise of calmness and composure, a testament to its thoughtful formulation, okay? Inside of ProNervium is a powerful blend of natural ingredients known for their calming properties. So key among them is ashwagandha, for example, an adaptogenic herb revert to its ability to reduce stress and anxiety, okay? This is paired with the soothing effects of valerian root, a time-honored remedy for promoting restful sleep and relaxation, okay? Complementing these are other potent botanicals like passion flower, lemon balm, which works synergistically to support a balanced mood and enhanced overall well-being. Together, these ingredients create a holistic approach to stress management, targeting both the mind and body, okay? Taking the ProNervium is a journey towards tranquility, guys. With regular use, many people report a noticeable reduction in their stress levels and improved ability to handle everyday challenges. The capsules are easy to incorporate into any routine, making it a convenient option for those with busy lifestyles. The benefits of this supplement extend beyond just feeling calm. Users offer experience enhanced mental clarity, focus, allowing them to be more present and engaged in their daily activities. This newfound clarity can lead to better decision, making it a more positive outlook on life. In addition to promoting relaxation and mental clarity, ProNervium supports overall cognitive health as well, okay, guys? In addition to all of these benefits, the ProNervium offers you a money-back guarantee, so you can actually test the supplement, and if you don't see results, you just have to tell the producer that they will return 100% of your money back, so you will literally have nothing to lose here. My only alert, folks, is that you can only purchase the supplement on the official website. It is not possible to buy it in drugstores or other websites, so be very careful with that. That's why I left you the link just below in the description of my video. This is the only place you can buy the original ProNervium from, nowhere else, right? Also on the official website, you can check the complete information about it, people's testimonials, and buy the original product, so go and check it out.